So this is a severe thunderstorm that is in Shepherd right now. It's my little radar app said shelter in place.
Yep, here it is, guys. I'm going to show this. Yeah, look at this. This is extremely long. You just...
Warning for
It even
eastern
has, like,
Montgomery
radio
County in southeastern Texas. Jacinto County in southeastern Texas. Southwestern Polk County in southeastern Texas.
Yeah, actually, I'll just put it on
The severe thunderstorm is right here. Here's the wind meter back up. The top speeds I'm getting are 11.4 right now. Probably some influence to a new thunderstorm that's probably flowing to our west right now. Actually, no, sorry, to our north right now. Right now we're facing toward the east, northeast right there. New storm development right there and the old storm. They've both collided with each other. One big storm is just right here now. Possible new development more north of Montgomery County. Could be possible right now. Winds are going northeast. I'm gonna say northwest. No. Yeah, northwest right now. Max winds are 11.8 right now. I can't check radar because I'm recording on my phone. 11 miles west. Cleveland is close.
No, it didn't.
Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Montgomery and southwestern San Jacinto counties. It's 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Cold Spring, Oregon, 11 miles northwest of Cleveland, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour.
So right now, this thunderstorm right here is producing about 2-inch hail right now. National Weather Service says it's about $50 sized hail. This thunderstorm could produce larger hail than 2 inches. So.
It just uses a radar.
That's about correct. Don't twist it. Because I don't want it. That's not what it's for. You don't twist it.
Why is it there? Why can't you twist it?
Just upgrade it. Well, you can't twist this. You can do this. You have to point it this way, and then you can do this. But if it's straight up, you can't twist it. That's why I say no twisting.
Yeah, we just put it back to the
It looks like the storm development has kind of formed a little bit more toward my area. So we might have to move locations in a little bit. But right now, this is just the severe thunderstorm that we're looking at. It's still about 2-inch hail is being produced by this thunderstorm right now. I wish I started recording earlier because there was a microburst that happened right in front of us, and I was watching it pass by. It was pretty cool. Yeah, so it's still saying $50 sized hail.
What else the other stations are saying?
The other stations don't say anything. They're just music stations.
Number 6 says.
It changes. It's fine. It's not going to be heavy rain. It's going to be like spring.
tornado.
Hmm.
At 20 miles per hour.
Doesn't actually.
Hazard, half dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated.
You can hear thunder.
Impact, damage to vehicles is
There's
expected.
there's a tower over there. Let me just. Let me do this.
No, National Weather Service tower is over there.
Do. There we go. That's fine. She's just we'll just go back to here. There we go. You know it's bad when the birds are.
Yeah, when birds start to fly around and like landing in specific spots, we probably need to start watching the radar. Looks like some towers up north of Montgomery right now are starting to form. If you live anywhere in Shepherd, east of Montgomery, please shelter in place for a possible severe thunderstorm warning. Even though this isn't live, so nobody can hear. I can't do live on my phone. It's only on like a
Getting bad connection. Trying to extend the.
11 miles northwest of Cleveland.
No, I want to turn on some music.
This ain't good time for music right now.
I don't even know what that was. I just want to try out shortwaves because there's one on. I think.
Still max at 11.8 miles per hour. Just reached 11.4, 12.3 miles per hour total just now.
Max.
No, the max is right there.
Oh, that's the max. Oh, that's handy.
So the max, and then this is the average, and then this is just the, yeah. So it looks like about possibly 3-inch hail is going through this severe thunderstorm right here. Really wish I had 2 radars right now, but I only have 1, and I'm recording. So we're gonna have to do this visually because I cannot use radar at the moment. So.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Montgomery and southwestern Kansas.
This is surprising. Okay.
It's 4:39 p.m.
Yeah, this is cool.
Severe thunderstorm was located 7
I want the static to add more dramatic effect
11 miles northwest of Cleveland.
because if you add more static, it adds like dramatic. It's cool.
Dollar-sized hail.
Hopefully this video actually gets some views. Hopefully. Let me point it more up, son.
Uh-oh.
New morning. Turn it up. No, that's good right there.
Oh, Brandon, we off. Did you roll? What's going on?
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe
I thought it kept going
thunderstorm
off by
warning
itself.
for southeastern Montgomery
Say it's
County
broken.
and southeastern Texas, southwestern San Jacinto County and
Just don't mess with it.
southeastern Texas, west central Liberty County and southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County and southeastern Texas until 5:30 p.m.
Is it moving toward
Daylight
us?
Time.
It seems that it's moving toward us.
7 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Doesn't it? Kind of like. I know that's a cloud. I really like that
We're
cloud.
actually getting static. I'm not even messing with it.
That means that something is. Okay, so the thunderstorm, the severe thunderstorm has kind of grew more north. As y'all could see, it's grew more that way. Right now, we're just looking. Stop messing with it. We gotta keep it at one station. You're gonna freaking mess it up. That's a place. A part 2 to this because I think this thunderstorm could be possibly moving toward us. I'm probably gonna have to make a part 2 unless if I can get another radar. I might need your phone or something because I need radar right now, like that, because I don't know where this thing should go. Huh?
We should probably go, actually, you know, we're fine right here.
I mean, we're fine.
It starts getting intense. We need to
I know, this cloud right here, I wanted to stay because I like having shade. But if this gets a little closer than what it is, like about there, then we should probably go.
Protection move to an interior
But
room on the lowest
I need,
floor of a
I know,
building.
very repeat it. I need a,
The National Weather
You what? This?
no. I need your phone for national answers. That said Montgomery County, that didn't say East Montgomery County.
This is Montgomery County.
Uh-oh. Mine is actually in Montgomery County now. Yeah, it's in Montgomery County now. Gee, there's a, dude, there's a lot of them. So this thunderstorm looks like it could be producing 3-inch hail now. This could be a slight issue for anybody who lives in a little bit more east, like flip south, like a little bit east southeast. If y'all live like down there of in
Whoops.
by Montgomery, y'all might have a little bit of an issue with some hail. My location right now could potentially have a little bit of rain or hail coming toward us right now. Uh-oh. Hey, the birds are starting to move. The birds over there are starting to go this way. It's not. It's just how it's pointed. It goes up. And it's regular.
Southeastern Montgomery, southwestern San Jacinto, west central Liberty, and northeastern Harris counties. At 4:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near North Cleveland, Oregon, 8 miles west of Cleveland, moving south at 25
Cleveland is close. Didn't it say 7 miles earlier?
miles per hour with gusts at
Did it say 8
$8
this time?
Source: enforcement. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
That wasp almost landed on me.
Humboldt, Cleveland, Kingwood, Spring, Splendora, Hatton Village, Roland Forest, Wood Branch, Cut and Shoot,
Feel good right now.
Atascocita, Porter Heights, Lake Houston, Northeastern Intercontinental Airport, New Caney, and Porter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe
Piece of trash is moving now.
remains in effect until 5
I got
p.m.
you.
Central Daylight Time for eastern Montgomery and southwestern San Jacinto counties. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Cold Spring, Oregon, 11 miles northwest of Cleveland, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations at Hampton, Shepherd, and Evergreen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Montgomery,
Come back.
northwestern San Jacinto, west central Liberty, and northeastern Harris counties. Enforcement.
Loading fast.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humboldt, Cleveland, Kingwood, Spring, Splendora, Hatton Village,
It's gonna hit spring.
Wood Branch, Cut and Shoot, Road, North Cleveland, Atascocita, Porter Heights, Lake Houston, northeastern
Yeah, watch that thunderstorm right there. Alright, so we got a thunderstorm forming a little bit north of us, so we're probably gonna have to move location soon. that it's moving slowly but surely closer to us. There's a private jet going through.
Look what my mom said. I can hear a small child screaming in the golf disc area. Okay. I'll order you and Amy wings from Little Caesars. Your sister's idea. Oh, thank God. Oh, our dad's also making Italian sandwiches. They're good. You know the Italian sandwich basically, but they're better. Or I don't know. I don't know.
Took down a whole branch. Can you turn that off? I can really hear it.
Hold on. You know you can put aluminum on it and make it tall. Yeah, you can.
I'm good. Oh, I'm good.
In the 70s they did. If we're getting bad reception, we could add some little bits of
Aluminum and just tape them with the electrical tape.
yeah, you go do. Actually, I have aluminum in my house and electrical tape.
Alright, I think we should probably start moving. This thunderstorm is starting to move closer to us. Yeah, it's starting to get closer to us.
Ah.
Oh.
Let's get to work. So we should probably move now.
It's starting to move this way. We've been out here for 15 minutes. Max wind speeds were 12.7, possibly higher if this wind keeps. Just turn it off. Up 13.8 miles per hour. It went up again. So yeah, we should probably start moving if this thunderstorm keeps on growing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Can you close the backpack? Oh, I can close the
Backpack.
Yeah.
I can do it.
I have to record.
Yeah.
I mean, we got time. I mean, we probably got about 20 minutes. Hey guys, safe. Oh no, that thing over does a record. Yeah, hold on. Put your prime in there. Wait, no, you're good.
No, I have side pockets.
Alright, close it up. Hold on. I gotta... No, I said close it up. Alright. 14.3 miles per hour is total. That's what we just got. Turn off the light. The lights are on.
Why isn't there like a little side thing right here that you could just take it off and...
I'm probably gonna have the 30-point one, but that's the thunderstorm right there right now. Dude, that went on for like a good second.
And I thought you just had to hold the button. I was like, why is it still going? Sorry.
Alright, so I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna stop the video here and then, yeah. Part 1. Subscribe.